Hello. In first sessions, I discussed with Siebel Web Client. On the second lectures, we will discuss about how can employee can access on IDs by using my given ID. Admin will be create users and they will assign for all everyone or employee. So I'm going to RDB connection. So this is the call center applications. I already discussed with the first session videos, but this is the communications and this is the tools. We are just login with the admin. We got admin profiles and we have to go sitemap. In sitemap, we have to search employee. It will be under the administration group. Administration user. Inside administration user, we are getting employee menu. In first part video section I already taken some example, but I don't know it's not completed to second video, so I am doing again. So I'm just taking this database. It's already existing in our database, so I'm just copy. By using control B you can copy, and otherwise you can do from here also. In last one I'm taking Roy. You can give any name, no issues. First name, I'm taking Bhola. Bhola. User ID, I'm putting capital BHOLA. Bhola. Keep in mind this Bhola user ID and control S. For accessing, we have to go CMD prompt, and here we are in my own account. So for that we have to go SQL. For that SQL we have to type some command. Guys, please be carefully and watch it and keep in mind our command what I'm typing. SQL plus no log. Okay, SQL plus I'm typing this wrong spelling. SQL ELS, no log. And again we have to connect SQL. So for that we have to type con sys s. Those command what I'm typed now. So we will cover in environment setup types. So later we will discuss more about all of this command. So I'm connecting. They are asking to password, so I'm putting password connected. As we are in SQL connected, and admin will be assigned with Bola ID. So for that some command we have to type in Notepad. For it will be very useful for us. Some command is I'm typing create user. What is the username? Bhola. Identified. Identified by Bhola. That time I missed the semicolon, so here we have to aware. And second command is grant. SS0 to Bhola. Create user. It will be create user with the name of Bhola and identified by Bhola. This is the passwords and grant SS0 to Bhola. So I'm just copy and paste it here. User is created with Bhola name and they are asking to grant. So we are entering the button. Yeah, grant is succeed. So by using Bhola ID we can log in. So for that we have to log out and we have to log in with Bhola. Password is see I'm just we are in Bhola account. So see here is you are not getting any entities navigation tab bar. For that to access we have to log go to setting and instead of navigation control we have to set the tab and control S it will be safe and do logout. Again we have to log in with the Vola account. So see we are getting all entities whatever we have requirement. So this is all about simple web clients guys. So tomorrow we will cover about more like tools communications whatever part is remaining, so we will go step by step. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope it will be good for all developers. Thank you so much.